Finally.
I know, right? Proud of you.
And I'm proud of you.
What was the moment today that you felt like really like the intensity of the love that we have for each other?
Ko nung the moment na di ba nag-walking down the aisle ako?
Yes.
Tapos sinawakan mo na yung kamay ko. Kasi I'm not having a good day in the moment. Like, parang sobrang conscious ko, anxious ako. Ang dami kong iba-ibang nafe-feel. Actually, nag-shoot pa lang kami. Sabi ko, ganito ba yun? Tama ba itong nararamdaman ko? Iba-iba yung nararamdaman ko. Biglang masaya ako, tapos biglang tinutopak ako, pumipitik ako, tapos biglang kinakabahan ako or anything. Tapos nung hinawangan ko na yung kamay mo, nakikinig lang ako sa boses mo, sa boses ni Pastor Nixon. Sinitignan ko yung araw, yung ulap. Doon ko na ito na pala yun. Parang hinaharap na kita sa Kaya siguro na-enjoy ko yung nature wedding. Parang mas naramdaman ko yung love and yung promises natin kay God and sa isa't isa.
The first time I seen you with your gown on, nakaka-overwhelm siya. Sobrang hirap pigilan ng luha ko. Kasi you're literally God's grace in physical form. So, I feel like you're such a blessing to me, and yun nga, yung love story natin, nobody could have written it better than God himself. So, at that moment, I just felt like, thank you, Lord.